Welcome to Strange Loops. My name is Doug Olena, the creator and author of these videos. This is part 4 of God and the Universe. In this short, I will discuss why emergence as a framework within which evolution takes place offers a more useful route of explanation than categories of being such as monism and dualism. One problem is knowing when our frameworks stop being useful. Thomas Kuhn argued paradigms only get replaced when its proponents and adherents die off. Harsh but true. Power structures freeze out conflicting data that arises in research, even though standard paradigms have lost their energy. Claims about truth get shaky when counterexamples keep pushing up, despite dominant metaphors. Emergence captures persistent data that clashes with monism and dualism in a universe, generating complexity on its own. These old frameworks have fought each from the time of its earliest proponents, but data sidesteps their debates to show a world with generative properties, whether God is involved or not. Whether God exists isn't settled by data alone. Both atheism and theism are human, and maybe we can't argue on that level. Deciding on philosophical principles alone just follows belief, doesn't resolve it. We're always working with incomplete tools that can't trace back to hard reality without human interpretation. Defining terms in absolutes isn't productive when physics has moved past old metaphysical assumptions. Puzzles stay with us, and when one is solved, new ones emerge. This frustrates concrete thinkers, but followers of Heraclitus get too excited, dancing around the campfire of chaos. I'm not saying Heraclitus is wrong, but his story must be incomplete. Okay, thanks again for your attention. In the following episodes, I will attempt to answer some questions.